Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study piano notes step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the piano keyboard's layout. Notice the repeating pattern of 2 and 3 black keys. Find middle C, usually near the center, which is your primary anchor. Understanding this foundational structure is crucial for navigating the 88 keys effectively. This initial step sets the stage for all future learning. Next, we'll master the musical staff and clefs. The treble clef for higher notes uses lines E, G, B, D, F and spaces F, A, C, E. The bass clef for lower notes uses lines G, B, D, F and spaces A, C, E, G. Practice identifying these notes quickly. Remember, middle C sits between these two staves connecting both hands. Now let's focus on reading and practicing. Utilize mnemonics to remember note names. For example, every good boy does fine for treble clef lines. Consistent practice is key. Spend at least 10 minutes each day using flashcards to quickly identify notes. Then, apply this knowledge by playing simple melodies and scales, connecting the visual note to the sound. Finally, elevate your note study with advanced techniques. Move beyond individual notes to recognize intervals and chords, understanding how notes relate to each other. Dedicate time to sight-reading new pieces, even for just 5 minutes daily, to build fluency. Integrate ear training exercises to strengthen the connection between the written note and its corresponding sound, enhancing your overall musicality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.